How to enable WhatsApp chat lock. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I will guide you on how you can enable chat lock on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to lock chats on WhatsApp, first of all, open up your Play Store and in the search box, just go ahead and type in WhatsApp. Check if the WhatsApp app has an update because this is a new feature rolled out by WhatsApp team. Once you launch the WhatsApp application and update it to the latest version, open it up and then just head over to the chat that you might want to lock, let's say. Once you head over to the chat that you might want to lock, just scroll down and then just tap the chat name from the top of the screen like this. Then over there you'll find this option called chat lock. You can tap on chat lock and then here you can see lock this chat with fingerprint or face ID, whatever option you might have. You want to make sure to just turn this toggle on. Make sure to enter your fingerprint here and then the chat is going to be locked. So next time if you just come back, the locked chats will be at the top of the screen here. When you tap on it, you have to unlock it, only then you'll be able to access those locked chats, as you can see. So this way you can find the locked chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.